Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2014 Subaru XV, stock number 6362. This ran from the 8th 2011 to the 3rd 2015. It has an FB20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the FB20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. The front headlight. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Front bonnet no dents. Left rear door 1 dent. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Right front door no dents. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic air shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.